Yeah, this is my hobby. Here are a couple of Goodman and some, that's a Ruud right there. Yeah, commercial property. This one's that's a heat pump. Okay, this is from, it's a 5-ton from 2007. Pretty old, this Coleman scroll. 13 series, 8.5 HSPF. Only, this one's running right here. Looks pretty new. Don't know what kind of fan motor this is actually. Yeah, this is really good. Okay, it's from, oh, this thing is new. It's from 2017. It's a 5-ton as well. Thing's brand new. Really large. Got a mailless disconnect. Yeah, hold on. There's that's a Ruud achiever right there. This one sounds like it's on a Furon leak. Something like that. I don't know what's wrong with that. This is a 2-ton. 2008. 8 liter 2008. This one sounds like it's on a Furon leak. It's hot. That's a 14C. Okay. Well, it's also from 2007 to 5-ton. More air conditioners over there. So here's another Goodman. Or I can say this is a Janitrol. And this has got a hack job on the fan builder. Duct tape. This one,
maybe you can smash this one.
No, I don't think it's broken. I just want to see this running. It's got a Bristol inside. It's from 1999. It's a 3-ton.
Is it gonna be an engineer?
Yeah, I guess.
It's gonna be a
Cool. Don't you remember when Andrew wanted to cut this off, but no, his brother said it's gonna blow up, but that's a piece of crap. I could say Janitrol. There's another Goodman right there that I couldn't get video of out of it, but another commercial property. Got Simon's disconnect. System to block on this, so I still can't get a video of it. It's a 5-ton from 2012. That's a 61,000 BTU. Oh, this thing's large. Okay, so these buildings right there, they have like window fans on them. This one looks like it does not sound too good or looking too good on that, but yeah, to make that one quick. Here's a New York Look series. Yeah, it is locked. It's caged up. It's got a, so it's got, what is that, rotary? Don't know what kind of compressor that is. It's a York LX series, but I don't know if it's a York because the nameplate's all eligible, but unless, I think this is a Coleman. I can barely tell. This might be a Coleman or something. It's got a GE disconnect. It's from, that's a 5-ton from 2011. Manufactured by Unitary Products Corp. Alright, gotta make that one quick. It's a window fan over there. Okay, here's another Goodman. Right here, that, I think that's a Ruud or the Ring. That's straight clean it. It's a 13s here. Okay, it's from 2009. It's a 5-ton. It's a 5-ton from 2009. But it appears to me that thing is loud as hell. It's also caged up too, just like that Goodman. This connector's open. Okay, it's a Ruud. It's Janitrol 2014, it's a 5-ton. There's a Goodman all the way over there, so that might be the last one. Okay, here's the last Goodman. Yeah. So they play all the way back there, so this is a 2016, it's a 5-ton as well. These are all 5 tons. Only the 2-ton unit is a Ruud and the 3-ton is a Janitrol. Okay, over now.